LCM of this denominator and this denominator. Really, let's imagine you don't know this number. So you can write like this, 9 and 3, anyhow it is 9. Divide by smallest prime number 3, 3, 1. Divide by 3, 1, 1. 3 times 3, 9. So this side by 9. This is by 9. This is also by 9. So how many 9s? 1. 4, 2, 9 divided by 3. 3 times 2, 6. But we are not keeping the answer like this. Yes, it can you understand? Yes, it?
Yes, teacher.
We have to keep it as a simplest ratio. It is, we can simplify by 2. 2, 2 divisible by 3. 4 to 5, here 6. LCM of this 2 is 5 now. So from 5 multiply, this side also multiplied by 5. Simplify. 4 to 6 times 5, 30. Anymore, you can simplify by 2. Ne? How many 2 here? 2. How many 2 here? 15. 2 to 15. Can you understand it? Okay, write down this. සනුපුර link එක ඇරියේ නැද්ද? 9 දාලා තියෙන්නේ. Right. Next one. This is, what is the LCM of these two, Yasit? 4 and 5? That is 20, right? Divide by smallest prime number 2. 2, 5. Divide by 2. 1, 5. Then by 5. 1, 1. 2 times 2, 4 times 5, 20. Then 1/4 by 20. 1/5 by 20. Yasit, can you understand this? 5 to 4. Answer is 5 to 4. Now you have to write this as a simplest ratio. Then 4 into 10, 9 over 10 into 10. 42, 9. 14 and 1, 15 over 2, 2. 18 and 1, 19 over 2. This is by 2. This is by 2. 15 to 19. 2 times 1, 2 and 1, 3 over 2. 2, 3. 4 times 2, 8 and 1, 9 over 2. Then you can multiply this whole thing. This is by 2, or whole thing by 2. 2 into 3 over 2, 2. 3 into 2, 2. 9 over 2 into 2. Then simplify. How many trees? 1. How many trees? 2. How many trees? 3. 1 to 2 to 3. Finished, right? Shall I clear this as it?
Wait, teacher.
Next question. Relative sizes. Our subtopic is relative sizes. Which ratio is the larger? They are asking which ratio is larger. So how can you find the larger ratio? 6 to 5 or 7 to 6. We need to compare the sizes of 6 over 5 and 7 over 6. So we express both with the same denominator. Then we can write like this: 6 over 5 one ratio and 7 over 6 other ratio. Both with the same denominator. And now what we are going to do? We want to express this with the same denominator. For that purpose, 6 over 5, write here 7 over 6. Then what is the common denominator for this? To express this by the same denominator, this is by 6. This is also by 6. This is by 5. This is by 5. If you don't know really the number, so you may have a doubt how I multiply like this. Then when we are doing the fractions also, we have to do the same thing. We want to convert this to a common denominator. This is also to a common denominator. Right here 5 and 6, find the LCM. Smallest prime number 2, 5, 3, again by 3, 5, 1, again by 5, 1, 1. 2 times 3, 6 times 5, 30. 30 divided by 5, that is 6. So this one by 6. Now 30 divided by 6, 5. So you can multiply, this is by 5, this is also by 5. 6 times 6, 36. 5 times 6, 30. Is your school starting as it tomorrow?
Teacher, school start
Tomorrow. Started?
no. Yes, teacher.
Tomorrow also there is in school. Next
Yeah, still learning online.
නෑ ස්ටාර්ට් කරනවාද ඒගොල්ලෝ එතකොට ඔන්ලයින් නැතුව?
They are telling in February they are starting.
All right. Online already started.
Yes, teacher.
Now we have mentioned with common denominator, right? Then this is as 36 over 30. This is as 35 over 30. Then which one is larger now? No need to concern the below things. Upper one, this one is the greatest one. So we can write which one is greater. 65 is larger than 76. Then 6 to 5, this one. Then we can say this is the largest one. Then 6 to 5 larger than 7 to 6. Can you understand, Yasit?
Yes, teacher.
Then write down this. First one. Which ratio is larger? Larger 5 to 7 or 2 to 3. Which ratio is larger? 5 to 7 or 2 to 3? Second one. Which ratio is the smaller? Smaller. They are asking which ratio is larger, which ratio is smaller. Now I just keep the space for this to do, right? That one we'll do later. We need little bit more space to do this now. So I just start to do it here. Which ratio is larger? So we can write 5 over 7, 2 over 3. Now you have to convert this to common denominator. Then you know this is by 3. No need to find the LCM. This is by 3. This is by 3. This is by 7. This is by 7. 15 over 21. 14 over 21. More than this, when we compare this one, this is the greatest one. So, this is the greatest one. So, we can write 5 to 7 is the larger. 5 to 7 is larger. Second question. Which ratio is smaller? 7 to 4 or 13 to 8? Then you can write here, smallest one you have to find from this. So we can write 7 over 4, 13 over 8. Then we have to convert this to common. This 8 is the common, only this one by 2, this is by 2. Now denominators are same. 2 times 7, 14, 8. 13, 8. Now which one is smaller from this? This is the smallest one. So you can write 13 to 8 is smaller. Right? Which ratio is the larger? 5/8 or 7/12? Which ratio is the smaller? Smaller, 3/4 or smaller one. From this you have to check the smaller one. So how can we find the small? This is the larger one now we have to find. So write two ratios. I have given here 5/8, 7/12. Then now we have to convert this to common denominator. 12 and 8. From which number divisible by both 12 and 8? 24. We want to make 24. So this is by 2, this is by 2, this is by 3, this is by 3. 3 times 5, 15. 8 times 3, 24. 7 times 2, 14. 12 times 2, 24. Now tell me which one is larger. This is the larger one. So you can write 5/8 is larger. Yes, it. Can you understand now?
Yes, teacher.
Right, next one. Which ratio is smaller? 3/4, 7/10. Now you have to convert this to common denominator, which is divisible by both of these, that is 20. This is by 2, this is by 2. This is by 5, this is also by 5. 5 times 3, 15, 20, 14, 20. Then you can write here, these two are equals. Smallest one is what here? This one. Then 7/10 is smaller. Finish? Yes, did you finish?
Teacher, still writing. I'm still writing.
All right. Which of the ratio which of the ratio 4 to 6, 3 4 to 1, 12 to 16 are equal to one another. Then look at here 4 to 6. You can simplify and write. When you simplify, how many 2's here? 2, how many 2's here? 3. Then you can write it as 2 to 3. Now, you can simplify this also. 3 fourth to 1. This side also by 4, this side also by 4. 3 to 4. Then now simplify, this is 12 to 16. How many posts are here? 3. How many poles are here? 4. Now tell me which ratios are equal to one another. This one, this one and this one. So you can write 3 to 4, 3 4 to 1 and 12 to 16. 3 4 to 1 equals 12 to 16. Okay, write down. Rashid, finish writing this?
Yes, teacher.
In the following sets of ratios, some are equal to one another. In each question, identify the equal ratios. Identify the equal ratios. Fifth question, 6 to 8. 24 to 32. 3 4 to 1. Higher. 10 to 24. 5 over 9 to 4 over 5. Okay, start to do this one. තව එකක් තියෙනවා. 5 over 9 to 4 over 3. Just I am allowing you to do alone. තනියම කරලා කියන්න බලන්න. 3 ratios at the each. You have to find the equivalent ratios. Finish Yasit?
Yes, teacher.
What is the answer for the first one? The fifth one?
Teacher, I'm still writing.
Divisible by 8. How many 8s are there? 3. How many 8s are there? 4. And this one? 3 fourth. This is by 4. This is by 4. So 3 to 4. So these all are equivalent ratios, right? Equal 3 4 6 8. 6 8. 6 to 8 ratio equals 24 to 32 ratio equals 3 4 to 1. 6 to 8 equals 24 to 32 equals 3/4 to 1. This one, 10 to 24. Simplify 5 to 12. This one, 9 to 4/5. Then multiply this whole expressions by 45. Ne? The number which is divisible by 5 as well as 9 is 45. Then look at how many 9s here, 5. How many 5s here, 9. 5 times 5, 25. 4 times 9, 45. Then 5 to 9. This one, 5/9, 4/3. To remove this, this is by 3. This is by, this is by 9. This is also by 9. Let's remove. Here 3. 5 to 3 times 4, 12. Equivalent ratios take this one and this one. 10 to 24 equals 5/9 to 4/3. Yasit, can you understand this? Yasit?
Teacher, can you repeat the sixth one again?
Sixth one, then I will erase the fifth one and do it here again. Huh? I take this space for this one. You can see here 3 ratios, 10 to 24, 5/9 to 4/5 and 5/9 to 4/3. First take this one, 10 to 24. Simplify. When simplifying, how many 2's here? 5. How many 2's here? 12. 5 to 12. Now take this one. 5/9 to 4/5. To remove this 9, we can multiply this is by 45. Yasit, are you there?
Yes, teacher.
Power cut for us. Again came. I will do that sum again. We were there at sixth sum. Six, right? Yes. 10 to 24. 5 over 9 to 4 over 5. 5 over 9 to 4 over 3. Now look at 10 to 24. We can simplify how many 2's 5, how many 2's 12. 5 to 9. You can write here, this both you can multiply it by 45. This is by 45, this is by 45. 5, this is by 9. 5 times 5, 25 to 4 times 9, 36. 9 times 4, 46. Yeah, so 36. 36, then how many simplifying anymore? No, 25 to 36. This one then, this is by 9, this is also by 9. How many 3's? 3. 5 to 4 times 3, 12. So only equals 10 to 24 equals 5 over 9 to 4 over 3. Can you understand, Yasit?
Yes, teacher.
Then write down. I will clear this. Seventh one, try to do alone. You have to find the equivalent one here. So we can write 8 to 64 here. Simplify. 8 to 64. How many 8's here? 1. How many 8's here? 8. 2 to 14. How many 2's? 1. How many 2's? 7. 1 to 7. 1 over 16 to half. This is by 16. This is by 16. 1 to 8. Then what are they? These two are equivalent ratios. This means 8 to 64 equals to 1 over 16 to 1 over 2. Write down this. Hurry, go to the 8th one. Right. 8th one. 8. 2/3 to 3. 4/18 to 2 to 6. Okay. Then start to find it. 2/3 to 3. This is by 3. 2 to 9. 4/18. That is also 2 to 9. 2 to 6. 1 to 3. Like this, ne? Then we can write 2/3 to 3 equals 4/18. Okay. Then I will clear this. Now we have to do the word problems. A family has 12 pets, on which 6 are cats. We can write a problems. Problems. A family has A family has 12 pets, of which 6 are cats. Or kittens. 2 are dogs. And the rest are birds. Find the ratio of the numbers of A. Birds to dog. B. Bird to pest. Pest. Twelve pets. 6 cats. It is like this, ne? Right? First one, A asking birds to dogs. This one asking here. Bird to dogs. So we can write like this, birds, dogs. Birds how much here? 4. Dog, 2. Simplify 2 to 1. Yasit, can you understand it?
Yes, teacher.
Yeah, birds to pest. Then birds, how many here? Pest. Birds 4. Pets කියන්නේ 6 and 2 මේ දෙන්නටම අපි කියන්නේ සුරතරයට ඇති කරන අයනේ petsලා කියලා. We can add this to 6 and 2 8 4 to 8. Then
Teacher,
yes පුතේ.
teacher, for that one, for pets, can't we take 12?
Yes. We can take 12. All are pets ne. We can
Yes,
take.
teacher.
Yeah, birds also we can take as pets. So we can write here birds how many are there? 4. And we come all together 12. 1 to 3. 1 to 3. Yes, it finished doing this.
Yes, teacher.
I think you have textbook with you now, right? Is that?
Yes, teacher.
Then page number 192 first question. We are not going to write it here. I just read and going to do the sum here. First question. Question number 1. A couple have 6 grandsons and 4 granddaughters. A couple have 6 grandsons. Grandsons. And granddaughters. 6 grandsons, 4 granddaughters. Find the ratio of number of grandsons to that of granddaughters. We have to find the ratio. Simplify here. How many 2's? 3. How many 2's? 2. 3 to 2. Grandsons to granddaughters, the ratio, this is the A part, is 3 to 2. The ratio of number of granddaughters, that of grandchildren. Grandchildren is mean this all together, right? Granddaughters, grandchildren. Granddaughters how much? 4. Grandchildren 6 and 4, 10. 2 to 5. I just do the second question here. A square A has side 6 centimeter. Square A 6 centimeter. And square B has side 8 centimeter. Find the ratio of length of the side of square A to length of side of square B. Length of side of square A to B. Then we have to find the ratio. Then how many 2's? 3. How many 2's? 4. 3 to 4. The area of square A to area of square B. Then this is the length. So I just write area, length. Then area. Area to B area. So you can see this is a square. 6 times 6, 36. Can you understand, Yasit? 8 times 8. Square centimeter, simplify. Then divide this one by first 4. How many fours? 9. How many fours? 1, 8, 18. 1, 18 then no, 16. 64 only 1, 4 here. 24, 6, 16. 16. 9 to 16, right? Any more? Not simplify. Areas, ratio of areas. Yes, it understood this?
Yes, teacher.
Tom walks 2 kilometers to school in 40 minutes. Right? 2 kilometers in 40 minutes. John cycles 5 kilometers to school in 15 minutes. Find the ratio of Tom's distance to John's distance. So look at here. Tom walks 2 kilometers to school in 40 minutes. And John 5 kilometers to school in 15 minutes. Find the ratio of Tom's distance to John's distance. Then we have to take Tom, John. Distance only we have to write. Mea 2 kilometer. Mea 5 kilometer. Then 2 to 5. මොකද units are simplifying. Only remain ratios 2 to 5. Ratio doesn't have units. Find the ratio of Tom's distance to Tom's time to John's time. Tom, that is third one. 40 minutes Tom. John took 15 minutes. How many fives here? 8. 8 to 3. We are doing exercise 12 and the page number 192. Fourth question. Mary has 18 sweets and Jane has 12. Mary 18, Jane 12. As Mary has 6 sweets more than Jane, she tries to even things out by giving Jane 6 sweets. What is the ratio of the number of sweets Mary has to the number Jane has? To start with, to end with. Starting is this one, which means Mary has to the number of Jane has starting. This is the start with. A. How many sixes? 3. How many sixes? 2. Next one, end. To end with B. What he wants to do? Mary has 6. This one, Mary has 18, so Jane has 12. As Mary has 6 sweets more than Jane, she tries to even things out by giving Jane 6 sweets. Mary gave 6 sweets to Jane. Then Jane now has how much then? 18. Jane then. Next time it is 2 to 3. Then Mary giving 6 sweets to Jane. Then that is 12. And Jane then have how many sweets now? 18. 6 adding to this. Now look at the ratio 2 to 3. Does it finish this one?
Yes, right. Okay, teacher. I have finished.
5. 5. If P to Q equals 2 to 3, find the ratio 6P to 2Q. Then 6P to 2Q. Then P to Q is 2 to 3. Then substitute. 6 into P is 2. 2 into Q is 3. 6 times 2, 12 to 6. How many sixes? 2. How many sixes? 1. 2 to 1. Find the missing numbers in the here. Then how to find then? You can see here it is 4. So then what has happened? Then we have to check. Let's image. You can see really this has multiplied by 4. If it is unknown number, what you have to do? You can divide this biggest number 4 by 2. That is 2. It means this has multiplied by 2. In ratio, if you multiply this is by 2, this is also you have to multiply it by 2. Then 4 to 10. Second one. 6 equals 12 to 18. Here this is 6, ne? So what do you have to do? You can see to get this 18, get this 6. From which number they have divided this 18? First divide 18 and by 6 and 3. That is 3. Then 18 divided by 3. That is 6. Then 12 also divide by 3. How much here then? I use another color. 4. 4 to 6. Right, do this sum alone. Third one. 24 to 14, 12 to. Fourth one. Finish it.
Yes, teacher.
Yeah, this is also easy to find. This is 24, 14. It means 24 has divided by 2, right? 24 divided by 2, 12. Then 14 also divided by 2, that is 7 here. Then here, they got here 9, here then 3, here 6. To get 6, from which number we have to multiply this one? They have divided, this is by
3.
9 divided by 3, we are not getting this one. So 2/3 wali multiply karla tiyenne. 6 into 2/3 में 3 times 3 9. Then this number should be what? 3 into 3 second. Then should be 3 then. Sorry. 2 into 3 second. Then 3. This should be here. What is here then? 2. 6 and here 2. 2 into 2/3. मैं බලන්නකො පුතේ again. යසිතාට තේරෙනවද ඒක?
Yes, teacher.
It's mean 6 into again 6 into 3 second 2 into 3 second में 3 3 times 3, 9. Fifth one. 3, 2. 3, 2 equal. You have to find the answer for this space. 12 to 32. 15 to 18. Like this. Okay, start to find this. Here, 3 no 3 have to multiply it by 4. Ne? Then only we are getting 12. 12 just divide by 3 and see. That is 4. Then this has multiplied by 4. To get 32, right? Which number we have to multiply it by 4? To check that 32 divide by 4 and see. 9. 9 not 8. Then 3 to 8 is the answer. Now here 18, we also 18. Sixth one. 8 to 10, right? Then I have to mention here, you can see here 8 to 10. A mistake is here. The sum is wrong, sixth one. We can mention here 15, then we can mention here 8 to 10. So you can see 15, this is 8 to 10. To obtain 10 here, from which number we have to divide this one? First you can see 15 and 10. So first divide 10 by 15 and see 2, 3. 2/3. It means 15 multiplied by 2/3. That is 5 into 2, 10. Yeah, that is correct. Now here, this number, we don't know. So you just divide this is by this number and see. 8 divided by 2/3. 8 into 3 second. 4. 4 times 3, 12. Then here should be 12. Yes, it is understood how I got this answer.
Yes, teacher.
Then this way you have to solve if you found a sum like this. Right, now look at 9 to 6, here 4. So now you can see 6 as well as here 4. To obtain 4, then we have to divide this number. So we want to check from which number do we have to divide this 6. It means 6 into, from which number? 2/3. 2/3. 6 divided by 3, 2, no, 2 times 2, 4 come in here. Right? Now we got these two answers. Now you can see. If you multiply this one also by 2/3, then 9 also have to multiply it by 2/3. 9 divided by 3, 3 times 2, 6. Then answer is 6 to 4. 9 to 6, 6 to 4. Finish, Yasit?
Wait, teacher. Okay, teacher.
At 8, 1, 4. 15 over 10. We can write here 15 over 10 below the line here 4. So how can we get 10 here? 2/5 olinne. Then just divide 10 by 4 and see. That is 2.5 ne. So even we can write 5 over 2. That this is by, then now look at 4 into 5 over 2. We are getting 10 me. 2 times 5, 10. Then now you came to know this is 15. 15 just divide by 2/5 and see. Then now 15, this answer you know. Then if you divide by 2/5, this one also definitely you have to divide by 2/5. Right? 15 divided by 5 over 2. 15 into 5 below the line, 2, reciprocal. 3 times 2, 6. Here should be 6. Can you understand, Yasit?
Yes, teacher.
Ninth one, 6 over 8 equals 12. And here, over the line we have to find. Now you know 12, no 12 and this is 8. First 12 divide by 8 and see. Then how many here? 6. How many here? 4. Here 3 second, right? 3 second. 8 multiplied by 3 second. Then we got the 12 here. Right? Now 6 also. If you multiply this is by 3 second, definitely this is also we have to multiply it by 3 second. 6 into 3 second. 3 times 3, 9. Now here answer is 9. Here answer is 9. Hello? Yes, Jamie. Hello. Which class? That yesterday you just joined the maths class, right? I have sent you the science link. That is around, I think I have mentioned the time, 1 o'clock. Yeah, 1 to 3 p.m. Yeah, 1 to 3 p.m. You can refer the same link and connect to the class, right? 1,000 per subject. Then after this class, I will send you the details. And the other thing, there is a classroom for you, the Google Classroom. Then normally after do the payments, I just register. Then you can watch the videos that we have done previously as well as the classes also. Right? Then I will send you the link. Then after this class also you just see and then do the payment. Then I will send you the link. Okay. Okay. Finish. Finish. I will clear this. Yes. Last one, 10th one. 6 to 9, 8 2. Have it done? No. We can say this one and this one. 8 divided by 6. 3 fourth. Then it means 6 multiplied by 4 third. We are getting 8. Then 9. 9 multiplied by 3 fourth. 3 times 4, 12. This is 12. Finish Pute?
Yes.
Go to next topic. We'll do next one also, right? Yeah, the page number 194. Page number 194. Find the missing numbers in. A. 4 equals 3 to 5. B. 6 blank 5 to 3. So we'll see how to do this thing. Fill in the gap with x to start with. I just write here this gap as x to 4 equals 3 to 5. This way is easy. Then you can write x over 4 equals 3 over 5. Now do the cross multiplication. All both sides you can multiply it by 4. Right? Even cross multiplication is easy, Pute. This is by this 5, this is by this 4. 5x equals 4 times 3, 12. Then x equals 12 divided by 5. X equals 2 and 2 fifth. Understood this one, Yasit?
Yes, teacher.
Right, next one. This is also you can write as x. 6 over x, 5 over 3. First number right off, right? Then cross multiplication. 6 times 3, 18 equals 5x. X equals 18 divided by 5. X equals 18. How many parts? 3 and 3/5. 3 and 3/5. So missing number. Then under that correct it and write. I forget to do it. So then you can write 2 and 2/5. 2, 4 equals 3 to 5. Like this. Complete the answer. 6, 2, 3 and 3/5 equals 5 to 3. Okay. Method to repeat questions 6, 7 and 10. Then you can do question page number 194. Yasit, can you do it for the homework?
Okay, teacher.
Then Thursday I am going to take a class 1 hour. Can you?